Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Bolton, sharing with you this fabulous looking Ford Ranger pickup. Finished here in a head-turning silver metallic colour, it's an ideal car if you've got your own business or just need that extra practicality. Prominent Ranger badging is available throughout, and this model even benefits with a 13-pin tow bar should you find it useful. Automatic xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as silver alloy wheels will complement the exterior colour. The opening boot lid here you can see offers loads of conveniences and versatility, and also you can open the rear tailgate revealing even more space. Passengers in the rear will also be happy as the cabin offers full black leather with seating for 3, as well as 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points, centre armrest with cup holders and even a 3-pin plug socket. Quick glimpse in the front will also offer contrasting and decorative door and dash inserts, whilst front seats will offer additional side bolster support, and the driver's seat is fully electrically adjustable for maximum comfort. Multi-function leather-wrapped steering wheel will control most of the part digital instrument cluster up ahead, and it's split in 2 sections. A number of active safety systems will be on offer to protect you and your occupants, and on the left side you can display your entertainment, sat-nav guidance and even Bluetooth contacts. Moving over to the center console, the Sync 3 navigation system is a joy to use. It will have everything you would want with the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with also a 2-zone climate control system that can be easily controlled via the screen. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and the built-in sat-nav will ensure you never get lost. A number of mobile apps will also be available, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the sound system even features adjustable speakers. Helping you park are front and rear sensors, fully complemented by a rear view camera. That same 2-zone climate control system can be operated via the physical buttons and even features heated front seats as well as a fully heated windscreen. USB connectors, various other functions and a fully selectable 4-wheel drive system will also be on offer.